Holy smokes, dude, that's the boat launch right there, and it's completely underwater. These docks and stuff are way out here. This is all underwater. That is insane. That water should be about 40 feet down from there. Where those brushes are right, there is normally the edge of the water on the opposite side of it. This is down the Grand River in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Crazy flooded. There's ladies fishing out here at this road. Look at that road. That road is crazy flooded over. It's all the way in here, all the way around us. Crazy. Holy crap, dude. We are down by Millennium Park. This is the road. It is flooded all the way the fuck over. There's people fishing out here. It is crazy flooded down here. The water's all the way up. It shouldn't even be close to up in here.